gonna fold it once, like this. Once.
So now
Yeah. And then that's
and then fold it over this.
This goes in. Okay. You guys need to stand this part. It's the important part. This goes in this one, right? This one.
Honestly, it doesn't even matter.
Okay, this is gonna go.
No, as long as you keep it consistent.
This is gonna go.
Actually, it goes in right here.
It goes right here.
This one.
Okay, so you're gonna kind of like loop it, right?
Yeah, over it.
Oh, you want to know that SpongeBob song where it goes like
Here. Hold on. Give me the edge.
This loops over into the middle part, and then you're gonna braid
Push
over
it up against here. You have to push it tight like this,
and then like someone can just braid over.
and then just braid it normally once.
and then you braid it. See, and now it's in the raffia.
You guys have to keep doing that every time.
And
so
if you look at it, watch. If you try putting it on the okay, can everyone see it? You want to put it on the middle one, but do you see how this is kind of like coming from the middle? If you put it here and you braid it, it won't like this is the middle one. You have to put it like in here, so that way when you go under, it's like in here. Does that make sense here? Do you want to just do another one?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it goes on that one. Yeah.
Wait, what?
this one, right?
So you see it goes in the middle one, and then you do the side ones. So she did the right, and then now she's doing the left. And
You guys
then
see?
there's a new
Now
middle
it's-
now.
How is it?
Sort of.
So just do it at every next
okay if
one.
it's like that,
So
right?
you don't want, because you don't want spaces in between, you know, like
Because then if you put books on
Yeah,
it,
you gotta make it really tight. Yeah.
And do you guys see how it's like? Here, I'll take this.
So like the intervals at where you put your raffia in should be pretty close.
You just put it in like each braid. Do you see how it's like coming out like this? And then when you get all the way around, it'll be like coming out. And then usually I get my textbooks when you guys finish, and then you flatten it so it's all together and it comes straight out. And then don't do anything with this. We trim it, but we'll all do that together. We'll put out a big tarp and we'll trim it together because it has to be a certain length. So just braid your whole thing. When you get to the end, you'll eventually like have to add on to this because this will run out because of this braid part.
Wait,
So
how would
to add on,
is that right?
you
No, wait,
like,
because like
do you want to give me like a kind of thick
no, you just have to
strand? You want to make it like as thick as this. When it starts getting thinner at the end, what you want to do is same thing, kind of like when you put the raffia in the middle strand. What you do is you
I think it's gonna curl.
like,
Like it's gonna curl awkwardly. Like, do
don't
have,
you just
like,
put it
this
in and
around
then you
already?
braid it?
Yeah, you just put it in and braid. Because like if you're having the raffia stick out at the bottom, put it at the bottom of the. Is it this strand? So pretend this strand is about to be cut off. Like it's already like over here at the end, but obviously we have already more. But pretend that's gonna get cut off here, and you're gonna need more. So what you're gonna do is like you get extra raffia, then you put it underneath. So you're not gonna see the excess. Excess is gonna be below.
And then you grab it, and then you have more here.
Yeah. And then you braid as normally, and it's gonna be secured at that point because you're braiding it.
Has to be the same?
And so it'll be fine. Just add it into that
Just
strand.
add it, but
Yeah.
what if like the other side?
Then the next time it's in the middle, like horrible example. Let's go. Okay.
Start working on it today.